Hey designers! In this video, I'll show you how to create a glitch effect easily and quickly in Adobe After Effects without using any plugins. Start by placing your video on the timeline. I'm using this clip for the tutorial. Create a new solid layer by going to Layer, selecting New, and then Solid. Confirm by pressing OK. Head to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fractal Noise. Apply the fractal noise effect to the solid layer. In the settings, change the fractal type to max and the noise type to block. Adjust the contrast to a higher value and lower the brightness to suit the effect you're going for. Open the Transform section of Fractal Noise and uncheck the Uniform Scaling option. Increase the scale width to its maximum value, which is 600. To animate the glitch, you need to add motion to the evolution. Hold down the Alt key and click on the stopwatch next to evolution. This opens the expression editor, where you will type time *1000. This makes the glitch move dynamically. Now, apply a transition effect to this solid layer. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Transition and choose any transition you like. For this tutorial, I'm using Linear Wipe because it's straightforward and effective. Once you apply Linear Wipe, click on the stopwatch next to Transition Completion and move the playhead forward by 20 frames. A quick shortcut for this is pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus the right arrow key twice. Set the transition completion to 100%. To give the transition a smoother appearance, increase the feather value, which adds a soft, feathery edge to the effect. When you preview the animation, you'll see how the glitch is starting to take shape. Precompose the solid layer. Right-click on the solid layer, select Precompose, and name the new composition glitch. Make sure you check the option to move all attributes to the new composition before pressing OK. Now, we're going to create a new adjustment layer. To do this, go to Layer, select New, and choose Adjustment Layer. Once the adjustment layer is created, we'll apply the Displacement Map effect. Head over to Effect, go to Distort, and select Displacement Map. In the Displacement Map settings, choose the glitch composition as the Displacement Map layer. Then, adjust the max horizontal displacement and max vertical displacement values. These values create the glitch movement, so we'll animate them to enhance the effect. Click the stopwatch icon next to both max horizontal displacement and max vertical displacement to create keyframes. Move the playhead forward a few frames, then change the values of max horizontal and max vertical displacement. You can use random values to create an organic, chaotic glitch effect. Repeat this process a few more times by moving the playhead forward and assigning new random values to the displacement settings. Once you're satisfied with the animation, close the Displacement Map properties. With the adjustment layer still selected, we'll add another effect to enhance the look. Go to Effect, select Immerse Video, and choose VR Chromatic Aberration. For some users, applying this effect may trigger a notification about GPU acceleration. To resolve this, go to File and open Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, look for the Use option. By default, it might be set to Mercury software only. Change this to Mercury GPU acceleration, then press OK. Once that's done, apply the VR Chromatic Aberration effect again. Play through your timeline to see how it looks. Let's find the point where the animation ends so we can crop the adjustment layer at this exact spot. To do this, press Alt and the right square bracket key. Once cropped, this is how the animation looks so far. We'll hide the glitch precomposed layer by turning off its visibility. Simply click the eye icon next to the glitch layer to turn it off. Select the adjustment layer and enable the Wrap Pixel Around option. This step ensures that the glitch effect appears seamless across the entire frame. Your glitch effect is now complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more amazing content.